Hey guys, welcome back to Adventure Space. So today I'm opening up my brand new gift from my wife. It's called Action Camera M80A Apex Cam. So let's see. It says on the box here 4K Wi-Fi 341 feet and 30 FPS. So that's a nice design. Let's take it out from the box. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, that's the camera right here. Has different accessories. I guess that's for when you're recording and when you're taking out the picture. It has another mount here. I guess that's an underwater mount. It has different straps. I guess for you to strap it on your hand, strap it on your head. What is this? What do we have here? This looks like a speaker, extension speaker or microphone, charger. It has two chargers. Convenience. Some more mounts. I think this one is probably a bike mount. I could be wrong. Oh, I think this one is the bike mount, or you can mount it on these long GoPro sticks, selfie sticks. No. Different accessories. I'm not too sure what accessory this one is. If you guys know, you can leave a comment. Oh, that's a clip, so you can clip it on your bag or wherever you feel the need to. And it also comes with a manual, instruction manual, how to install the different parts, and I guess this one is the manual of how to operate the GoPro itself. What else we have here? This looks like another strap. I'm not too sure what this is for. If you guys know, you can leave a comment and tell me what this is for, or I'll search the manual and I'll find out. We have some more accessories. Oh, and we have a battery, the GoPro battery right here. Okay, so I'm about to open up the camera to try out the battery in the GoPro. Open up here. Right. See, this is how it looks. It has the mode here. I guess this is to put it on. The mode is to put it on. It has some navigation buttons at the side, up, down. This is the charging port, and I guess this is to take out the picture or to start your video on top. So let me see, where do I take out the battery? Okay, right here. It has a battery in it already. Okay, you can turn off the video now.